Hello friends, welcome back to Juice Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to mute your Samsung Galaxy keyboard. So in order to mute your keyboard guys, all you have to do just do a swipe up and you want to search for settings. If you're not able to find it real quick, you can simply use the search and type in settings and open that. Now once you're here, you want to scroll down to sounds and vibration, tap on that, and you want to scroll a bit down to where you find system sound. So tap on system sound, and within here you will be able to find your Samsung keyboard. So as you can see, I have mine turned off because I don't want to have the sound when I'm typing. So if you're currently hearing sound on your keyboard, it simply means that yours is turned on. So when you're typing, you're hearing the keyboard sound. Whether it's in your phone call, whether it's in your messages, whatever, you'll hear the keyboard sound. So to turn this off, all you have to do is just come here, follow the steps as I show you, and turn off the Samsung keyboard. And from now on, when you're typing, you will not hear any sound. So I know this can be very distracting at times. So if you find some value within this video, go ahead and give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. And thank you very much for watching. See you next time, guys.